Give you a...
So today we're here reviewing Murphs Fridge from Rappacoon in Chadstone, and we have guest star Leroy and guest star Dan Ridley.
Empty!
Well, what have we got?
So basically today on the financial planning advice, if you want the house with the new fridge. Mirrored front doors, by the way. See that? Mirrored. No handles. No handles. See that?
Ooh, you get to look at yourself.
You can even come to the fridge to get some food and give a quick... See what's going on.
Uh-oh.
If you want two
What
Volkswagens...
the fuck is that?
Right? You want two Volkswagens, a caravan, basically tomatoes, half of it. You're not chucking it out. We're not fucking around. You keep it.
Yeah, that's...
Bananas. Do you know how fucking expensive a banana is, Lee?
50 cents right there.
Do you know how much a fucking banana's worth? What about the takeaway sweet and sour sauce?
That's from KFC.
The steamed
That's
fucking,
KFC, leftovers.
steamed spring rolls?
Yeah.
No, we'll keep that sauce. Right? Clip lock bags for other things that you bought.
Grain bags.
What else we got here? Fish and chips.
From last week.
Spent $11.20 on that. Minimum chips might be $2, but it's a lot. We'll keep it.
Yeah, that's
We'll keep that.
That's some money right there. No wonder he's rich. He says...
You tell you what, you can tell he ain't fucking around when he's got more than one thing of
there's
eggs.
fucking eggshells in there.
More than one thing of eggs. How much does it fucking cost to run a chicken? How much does it cost to run a chicken? A lot. Heaps. This mayonnaise, guaranteed whole egg. It is. We're not fucking around because we've got all the eggs. We've got whole egg mayonnaise. We don't need half egg mayonnaise. Look at this. Would you keep that?
What is...
How much
There's
must-
nothing in this empty.
But no, it's fucking not, Lee.
It's empty. Oh, okay.
There's still a sandwich in there.
Okay.
There's a
Oh,
sandwich in
shit.
there.
There's like...
But plus, we're
There's
running spares.
20
We've
that's
got
about
a
20
spare Volkswagen. We've got
That's
spare
about
mustard.
20 cents.
All right. We've got two Volkswagens in the driveway. You run out of this mustard, you get a flat tire. You go slightly further back, you got another one. Don't worry about it. What else we got?
Fuck, too many Volkswagens.
Yeah, no wonder he's rich.
We've even got a spare Volkswagen Greek yogurt. You park the other one behind the other one because you don't want to fucking run out.
That's a Greek Volkswagen right there.
Exactly. You don't want to run out of yogurt and you don't want to run out of cars, do you? All right.
You alright, Leroy? You okay, man?
But also, there's one other thing.
You good? You good?
Quickly
How to
check.
get rich.
Hold on, hold on.
One other thing.
Well, checking it out, checking it out.
Are you pulling dicks in here or what?
Who the fuck? Have you ever seen someone freeze a fucking lemon?
He's got a fucking lemon tree out the backyard.
Oh, you tried throwing it somewhere.
Lemons are an economy. Lemons are free. Nobody has bought a lemon in the last 20
But
fucking
he's got a
years.
tree. What the fuck? He's got a whole tree.
Let's free some lemons.
Dude, I have customers that give me lemons and I throw them out because they're so easy to come by.
Whipped cream.
What?
Cream.
Frozen cream?
When was it used by?
Mate, dude,
Zoom in.
we're saving money this hard. This is the thickest cream possible because it's rock solid because it's frozen.
It's 4 years old.
This is almost older than, this is almost older than me. Oh wait, no, we've got spare thick cream.
If you run out.
15! This one isn't even open, that's vintage.
Yeah, because he buys shit in bulk. This isn't fucking engine oil.
We've also got the cheeky farmer's market buttermilk,
Buttermilk.
not sure.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Put the buttermilk in the freezer, you'll drive the Volkswagen.
What is it, Leroy?
It's engine oil in bulk. That's what he's
Buttermilk.
doing. Buttermilk.
Butter.
I'm confused. I'm still actually worried about the frozen lemons. That's got me fucked up.
Look who's come to join the party. We're having a party in Murphy's kitchen, and here he is.
Just quickly.
You're picking cream.
You've got to describe and explain to me why the fuck you freezing lemons.
Why your whipped cream is 4 years old.
Also, that's from 2015.
No, I don't know. I can't explain.
So that's okay. This.
Those lemons. Have ever heard of limoncello?
You've
Yeah,
got a
are they-
fucking...
you have a
got
lemon tree,
Murph.
right?
You've got a whole tree.
Yeah.
The only thing
When
in
you've got
this.
too much fruit, what do you do with it?
You don't freeze it, you
throw
chuck
it
it
out.
out. Or you give it to
give
your
it away.
neighbours.
That's a waste.
It's a waste.
Are you
Why-
going to use that 4-year-old
Why
Right, mate.
fucking waste?
If you don't want to waste it.
Why
why do
waste?
you have-
What waste?
I don't control the fruit.
Lemon
You're
tree.
in
If you're worried about wasting them, why do you have 47 frozen? Because you obviously don't use them much.
Well, how about we close it?
We can have lemon pancakes for 12 months.
Do you have a dog?
We had a dog.
You still got dog food in here.
Lemon pancakes.
Oh, what is that?
That's dog food.
Freezer within the freezer.
Oh shit.
We had a dog.
Alright. And that's not how you make porridge.
It's not how it's done.